Mindfulness for better sleep. Experience restless nights? Try mindfulness for better sleep. It's a simple, proven technique to calm your mind. Simply focus on your breath. Feel its rhythm, its flow. No judgments, just awareness. Visualize positive, peaceful images. A serene beach, a tranquil forest, your safe haven. Now, slowly scan your body. From your toes to your head. Release tension with each breath out. Finish with gratitude. Think of one thing you're thankful for. Cherish that feeling. Try mindfulness tonight. Dream better, sleep deeper. Anxiety can feel like a relentless adversary. It keeps us on edge, keeps us awake, and often keeps us from living fully. But what if we told you there's a way to counteract it? Enter mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of focusing on the present moment, accepting it without judgment. It's about breathing in the now. Not the past that haunts us, nor the future that scares us, but the present that exists. Can mindfulness help reduce anxiety? Empirical evidence says yes. Studies show that mindfulness can change the way our brain reacts to stress, leading to a decrease in anxiety symptoms. So how can you practice mindfulness for anxiety reduction? It's simpler than it sounds. Start by focusing on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Pay attention to the sensation of each breath as it enters and leaves your body. Next, ground yourself in your physical senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? Engage with the world around you. Remember, it's about experiencing the present, not analyzing it. Another mindfulness practice involves observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When anxiety arises, simply acknowledge it, and then return your focus to your breath or senses. Mindfulness is not about eliminating anxiety altogether. That's an unrealistic goal. Instead, it's about learning to sit with anxiety when it does show up, and not letting it take the driver's seat. A common misconception is that mindfulness requires a lot of time. Not true. Just a few minutes each day can make a big difference. Try incorporating it into your daily routine, perhaps first thing in the morning or before bed. Remember, patience is key. You won't master mindfulness overnight. But with practice, it can become a powerful tool in your anxiety reduction toolkit. Mindfulness isn't a magical cure for anxiety. It's a tool, a strategy that needs to be practiced consistently. But when used in conjunction with other treatment methods, it can have a profound positive impact. So the next time you feel anxiety creeping in, remember to breathe, to ground yourself in the present, to observe without judgment. Remember to be mindful. Because a calmer, more present you is within reach. Let mindfulness be your weapon against anxiety. Start today, start now. Because life is happening in the present moment. And you deserve to enjoy it, anxiety-free.